Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. Friends, in today's video I want to show you unboxing of 220 watt inverter. So you can see that. Now let's open it, then I will show you unboxing and testing of this inverter. Friend, there is key specification of this inverter. Here you can see that the DC to AC 220 watt inverter. So friend, there you can see that here it's running. In next project I will show you power of this inverter and testing of this inverter. Here you can see that. So subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for my next project notification. Have a great day.